Welcome back. Last video we learned how to make the white cross. The most important aspect of solving the white cross was to find the 4 edge pieces that make up the cross. After finding them, you had to memorize some algorithms to solve. This process is the same for solving the first layer. First, with the white cross solved, hold the cube with the white center on the bottom. What we want to do is to place 4 corner pieces that have one side with white on them into the correct position on the cube. Now remember, our final goal is to have a completely solved cube. A solved cube has all faces with the same color. What that means is that the side with the red center, for example, would all be red. And the same would be for the green side. This side would all be green. So the corner piece at this location, if solved, would be red, green, and white, as white is the center color on the bottom. Knowing this, we just need to find the correct corner. This is important. To find the corner, remember to turn the whole cube so that the white center is always on the bottom. This way, you won't get confused. So here is our red, green, and white corner piece. Right now, it is in between the orange and blue center and on the bottom layer, which is not right. To get it out of this position, use the algorithm we learned in the first video. That algorithm is R, U, Ri, Ui. So now it is on the top layer. From here, just do U or Ui while moving the cube so that it is in this specific position. Whenever you have the correct corner piece on top, move it so that it is on the top right corner of the cube, like so, as it is facing you. When it is in this position, just do the algorithm R, U, Ri, Ui over and over again until it places the corner piece into the correct position. So now we have 1 out of the 4 corner pieces in the correct position. Now let's do the green and orange corner piece. We know that the corner piece has to be a green, orange, and white, because if the cube was solved, the side with the green center would all be green, the side with the orange center would all be orange, and the side with the white center would all be white. So that means the corner piece here would have to be green on one side, orange on another, and white on the third side. So now let's find that corner piece. So here is the corner piece, and it is on the top layer already, so we do not have to do that same algorithm right now. Do U or Ui to move it to the specific location where it is on the top right corner facing you, like so. Finally, do R, U, Ri, Ui until it solves itself. Your task is to solve the other 2 corner pieces. Once you do so, you have solved the first layer of the cube. Thanks for watching.